Hacks for making breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal. However, it is a meal that most of us skips every day. While breakfast provides the good things and it's fun to make in the cozy and chill weekend and holiday mornings, it's a different thing when it comes to the rushed mornings where you even have to think of brushing your hair or not. Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing good and safe at home. For today's video, we'll discuss some of the best hacks in making breakfast so you won't have to skip breakfast anymore. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. 2-ingredient pancakes. Say yes to rushed yet delightful mornings with this easy-to-cook 2-ingredient pancake. With a 1:1 ratio of mashed banana and egg, you'll get your soft and almost airy pancakes. And if you have a little more time, you can add ingredients to make it yours. Number 2. Morning banana bread. If you have a heart in baking, why not bake a banana bread that can last for the whole week? Spend some time over the weekend so you can grab a slice the whole week. The secret recipe? A shot of your favorite coffee. Number 3. Advanced prepped smoothies. Fan of smoothies and juices? Then make plans ahead to avoid the hassle of collecting your ingredients and slicing your fruits one by one by doing it ahead of time. If you have spare time at the weekend, ready your food bags and Ziplocs to store your greens or sliced fruits. Stock them in the freezer and pick them up whenever you want to make one delish smoothie. Add your favorite liquid, yogurt, and any toppings that you like and you're good to go. Number 4. Frozen toast. If you love having toast in the morning, try this toast trick. Buy a loaf of bread and put it in the freezer the same day with the 2 slices in separate food bags. This way, you can easily grab one to toast through the week and you won't have to defrost it first. Number 5. Frozen coffee cubes. For iced coffee lovers, having your coffee frozen into cubes can either be a dream come true or a nightmare. If you just water it down, you'll regret freezing your coffee into cubes. So, to avoid that, prepare a hot coffee and creamer to partner with your coffee iced cubes. But you can also opt for milk too. Number 6. Baked egg and avocado. Do you love avocado and egg for your breakfast? Have them in an easy-to-prep way. Cut the avocado in half and remove the pit and some of the flesh for bigger space. Put the egg and top it with some toppings of your likes, then bake. You'll have a healthy and hearty meal in just a snap. Number 7. Overnight oatmeal. If you want good oatmeal in the morning, spend some time making it the night before. Put 1/3 of a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, chia seeds, ground cinnamon, and honey in a jar and shake it. Remove the lid and put berries. Refrigerate overnight. The next morning, you will have a softened and well-blended oatmeal to enjoy. Number 8. Coffee yogurt frap. I'm not sure if you've ever tried or even just heard the combination of yogurt and coffee. But if you haven't, I want you to know that it is great. With the coffee iced cubes and yogurt in the blender, you'll have a heavenly beverage in the morning. These are just some of the best breakfast hacks everyone should know and try out in their next breakfasts. With these amazing hacks, you won't have to skip any breakfast even on your busiest days. Tell us your favorite breakfast hacks among these in the comments section below. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you will be updated once we upload a new video like this one. Thank you all for watching and see you guys on my next one.